Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to migrate WordPress site to another domain in under 5 minutes. Now let's say we have two domains, right? Let's say we have this domain and another domain which is domain 2, right? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to install on both of those domains, we need to install a plugin. So go to add new on both of those domains. Now first here we'll go and type in VP Vivid. And once we have that, we go here and install this plugin right here. Now, we also need to activate that plugin as well. Okay, once this has been done, right now we need to do this on domain 2 as well. So if you have domain 2, right, on your second domain on WordPress, just do this same thing as we did it right here on domain 1. So this is domain 1, right? Now what you will need to do is you will need to copy the key from domain 2. So go to domain 2, go to VP Vivid, and you will need to copy the key, right? By going to the key and then generating the key right here. Now make sure to copy this key right here, right? Now what you will need to do is go to domain 1 and to the VP Vivid plugin and go to auto migration right here. And make sure to paste the key right here. Make sure to save the key, right? Because you will save the key. And again, this is happening on domain 1, right? And now you can press clone, then transfer, right? You can also choose the parts of the website you want to transfer right here. So you can see right here. Now you need to keep waiting until your site has been migrated successfully. Now you will need to go to domain 2. You will need to go to backup and restore. And under the backups, click scan uploaded backup or received backup. Now once that has been done on domain 2, you will right here see restore. So make sure to go to domain 2 and go to the backup right here, as I said, scan uploaded backup or received backup, and then click restore under the backups. You will see on domain 2, and then that's pretty much it. Your domains will be transferred from domain 1 to domain 2. Now, I hope you understand that these are two domains, right? So you need to do the job on both of those domains, just like I showed you in this video. So this is basically how to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.